Hello students, let us solve a problem from Olympiad mathematics. The question is solve for x 16 to the power cos square x plus 16 to the power sin square x is equal to 10. Here the question is given 16 to the power sin square x plus 16 to the power cos square x is equal to 10. This implies 16 to the power sin square x plus 16 to the power 1 minus sin square x minus 10 is equal to 0. 16 to the power sin square x plus 16 into 16 to the power minus sin square x. This is 16 to the power 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. And this can be written as 16 to the power sin square x plus 16 by 16 to the power sin square x minus 10 is equal to 0. This implies, let us take this is t. This is 16 by t minus 10 is equal to 0. So we have taken t is equal to 16 to the power sin square x. This implies t square plus 16 minus 10t is equal to 0. So this equation multiplying t throughout, this implies t square minus 10t plus 16 is equal to 0. So this implies t square minus 8t minus 2t plus 16 is equal to 0. Now we can take t common. So this is t minus 8, here minus 2 common, t minus 8 is equal to 0. So this implies t minus 8, t minus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies t minus 8 is equal to 0, t minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this implies t is equal to 8, here t is equal to 2. So this implies t is 16 to the power sin square x. 16 to the power sin square x is equal to 8. Here 16 to the power sin square x is equal to 2. So this can be 2 to the power 4 sin square x is equal to 2q. Here 2 to the power 4 sin square x is equal to 2 to the power 1. This implies 4 sin square x is equal to 3. Here 4 sin square x is equal to 1. This implies sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. Here it is sin square x is equal to 1 by 4. This implies sin x is equal to plus minus root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2. So this implies x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. X is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6, where n is an integer. Answer. So after a simplification, we get the value of x. X is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. X is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. With this, the topic for this class is completed. I shall meet you soon with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.